What the difference between att_mask and key_padding_mask in multiheadattnetion? What the difference between att_mask and key_padding_mask in multiheadattnetion of pytorch? Key_padding_mask, if provided, specified padding elements in the key will be ignored by the attention. When given a binary mask and a value is true, the corresponding value on the attention layer will be ignored. When given a byte mask and a value is non-zero, the corresponding value on the attention layer will be ignored. Attention_mask, 2D or 3D mask that prevents attention to certain positions. A 2D mask will be broadcasted for all the batches while a 3D mask allows to specify a different mask for the entries of each batch. Thanks in advance.
The key_padding_mask is used to mask out positions that are padding, i.e., after the end of the input sequence. This is always specific to the input batch and depends on how long are the sequence in the batch compared to the longest one. It is a 2D tensor of shape batch size times input length. On the other hand, attention_mask says what key value pairs are valid. In a transformer decoder, a triangle mask is used to simulate the inference time and prevent the attending to the future positions. This is what att_mask is usually used for. If it is a 2D tensor, the shape is input length times input length. You can also have a mask that is specific to every item in a batch. In that case, you can use a 3D tensor of shape, batch size times number heads, times input length times input length. So, in theory, you can simulate key_padding_mask with a 3D att_mask.
I think they work as the same. Both of the mask defines which attention between query and key will not be used. And the only difference between the two choices is in which shape you are more comfortable to input the mask. According to the code, it seems like the two masks are merged to take in union, so they all play the same role, which attention between query and key will not be used. As they are taken union, the two mask inputs can be different valued if it is necessary that you are using two masks, or you can input the mask in whichever mask_args according to whose required shape is convenient. Here is part of the original code from pytorch of functional.py around line 5227 in the function multi_head_attention_forward. Please correct me if you have different opinions or I am wrong.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.